This is the Stormwater Runoff Interactive Calculator, designed to help engineers quickly compute discharge rates, runoff volumes, and drainage parameters for stormwater management projects. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options: peak discharge rate using the rational method, total runoff volume, required drainage area, time of concentration, rainfall intensity from IDF curve, or composite runoff coefficient. For this demonstration, I'm using peak discharge rate. For time of concentration calculations, you can choose between the Kirpich formula or NRCS velocity method. Let's work through an example. I'll enter a runoff coefficient of 0.65, rainfall intensity of 3.5 inches per hour, and a drainage area of 12.5 acres. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 28.44 cubic feet per second. The secondary value converts this to 2.4 acre-feet per hour. The additional info confirms we're using the rational method formula Q equals C times I times A. The status indicator reads low discharge, adequate capacity, telling us this flow rate is manageable for typical drainage systems. This tool streamlines your hydraulic calculations for any stormwater project. Find the link in the description below.